Welcome back. We were talking with Danny Lipford, our home expert, about how to stay cool because 50 million of us will see high temperatures of at least 90 today. So we're already thinking about ways to keep our home cool.
And Danny, I want to take our viewers back to before the commercial break. You mentioned attic covers. What exactly are attic covers?
Well, I'll tell you, the insulated attic covers are available now, very inexpensive, and they basically go right over the top of your disappearing attic stairway and basically just creates an air blanket between the hot air in the attic and the cooler air that you want inside your house. So they range anywhere from $25 to $50, only takes about 5 minutes to install. I would certainly recommend. That's a great project for this weekend.
And, you know, we were talking about some of the ways to keep them cool, but also without spending a lot of money. What are some of the other things homeowners can do to stay cool on the cheap?
Well, just change the behavior a little bit. You know, when you have a day that is really going to be sunny, close those curtains and keep that cold, comfortable air inside your house. Also, the ceiling fan can be your friend. Make sure all of your ceiling fans are running in a counterclockwise position when you're looking up at them. That'll provide a little bit of cooling air. Now, however, though, they won't help a thing unless you're in the room. So don't waste electricity by running your fans when you're not in the room. And there's a number of other things that are low-cost items like window film. If you have single pane windows, consider applying window film on the inside of the house. It's a lot easier to do than it has been in the past. They've made it much, much simpler.
And also, Danny, if people can't do it themselves, I guess having a HVAC professional come out, they can also tune up your system?
Well, they definitely need to tune up that system, and along the way, make sure you have the proper air conditioning filter. There's a lot of misconceptions about filters, and don't buy those in the grocery store that are only $2 or $3. They really won't do you any good. Step up to an electrostatic filter, $12 to $15. They'll generally last you about 3 months. And I'll tell you, I was at a trade show last week. They now have an air filter with a built-in sensor that will send an alert to your smartphone and tell you exactly when to change that filter. It's so important for your indoor air quality, but certainly for the efficiency of your air conditioning system.
That is genius. Again, one of those things like, why didn't I think of that? Of course, that's what everybody needs. Danny Lipford, thank you so much for taking time with us and great tips as always.